Are you tired of boring bulky trimmers that don't deliver the precision you want? Well, I just got my hands on the Philips OneBlade, a revolutionary trimmer that promises razor-sharp trims without cutting your skin. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as I unbox, test and give you the real scoop on whether this is worth your money. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are unboxing and reviewing the Philips OneBlade for face and body. Now, my previous trimmer broke down, so I thought, why not try something new? This Philips OneBlade felt revolutionary, so I grabbed it as a replacement. Let's dive in. It promises to cut hair, not skin. A bold claim. It also boasts an array of attachments, including combs, bodyguards, and an extra blade. Flipping it over, there's a detailed explanation of its patented dual blade technology. The blades have rounded tips designed to protect your skin, and the graphics here make it easy to understand. This trimmer is versatile. It can trim, edge, and shape your beard, offer a close shave, and even handle body grooming. It comes with 3 stubble combs, a body comb, a skin guard, and an extra blade. That's a lot of options for customization. Let's get to the unboxing. Inside, there's a neat brown box that holds everything. First impressions, the attachments and cables are a bit loosely packed. Not the neatest, but hey, it's all here. The motor body is impressively slim, almost like a size 0 for trimmers. I've never seen such a compact design before. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. Here's the full lineup of what's in the box. Blades, 2 neatly encapsulated in plastic guards. These have a lifespan of about 4 months, which is a bit of a bummer. They are super thin and feel like a razor blade with some added tech. The 2-sided cutting action is awesome. It works in any direction. The manual suggests one blade is for the face and the other for the body, which makes sense for hygiene. Face comb guards. We have got 3 options here: 1mm, 3mm and 5mm. These let you trim facial hair to your preferred length, and they're clearly labeled for ease of use. Body comb attachment. This lets you trim body hair to a consistent length without shaving it completely. Skin guard, a thoughtful addition. This protects your skin by keeping the blade slightly elevated, reducing irritation or cuts. Perfect for sensitive areas like underarms or the groin. Now, onto the star of the show, the main body. It's ergonomic, lightweight, and functional. The ribbed texture on the sides ensure a solid grip, and the charging ports sits neatly at the bottom. There's a simple push button power switch in the center, and the motor even has some juice out of the box. Let's fix the blade and test it out. Attaching the blade is simple. Just click it onto the head. The blade is delicate compared to traditional trimmer heads, but it swivels beautifully, so it works well on angled surfaces. Time to put it to the test. On my hand, it provides a neat, smooth finish, almost like a razor. For beard trimming, it's precise and leaves a sharp edge. What's even cooler, it works in both directions, so you can shave up or down effortlessly. Now, let's try the attachments. They are super easy to snap on, though removing them takes a bit of practice. You'll need to hold the blade head securely or it might pop off. One small gripe: the charging LED only shows that it's charging but doesn't turn green or give any other indication. And here's the kicker: it needs a whopping 8 hours to charge for just 30 minutes of use. That's a serious bummer in today's fast-paced world. Let's wrap it up with pros and cons. The pros: the OneBlade gives you a razor-like shape without any nicks or cuts. It's lightweight, easy to use, comes with versatile attachments for both face and body grooming. Cons: the charging time is too long. 8 hours for only 30 minutes of runtime is disappointing. The blade needs to be replaced every 4 months, and a pack of 2 costs 1500, which adds up over time. That said, the razor sharp trim quality and overall performance make it a standout product. With faster charging and a longer battery life, it could easily be the best in its class. For anyone prioritizing precision and a clean shave, this is definitely worth considering. That's my unboxing and review of the Philips OneBlade for face and body. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.